hop, stop. Left heel up, left back turn, left front turn, pass left, right foot turn, dribble left. Left heel up, left back turn, left front turn, pass left, right foot turn, ready. Go. Dribble left, side stop. Traveling away from the right foot, move back, turn out to the leading. Dribble left, dribble left, dribble left. Go, dribble left. Stop, left heel up, left back turn, hello, left front turn. Next. Dribble left. Kaliwa ang dribble. Kaliwa ang kamay. Left heel up, left back turn, left front turn. Dribble left. Stop. Hold the ball out. Left heel up. Left back turn. Left front turn.